What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a very useful SEO practice and a very good SEO practice to optimize your site, to make it appear higher on search engines and to make it gain more traffic, more clicks, more engagement. So do this into every single blog post you write on your WordPress website, okay? This is a very simple yet very effective practice, and every single content your site, it can be a page, a post, a product, needs to have this practice, okay? And what is? Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on your browser address bar, there is an address box, okay? Type your domain plus wp-admin, enter with username and password. You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one, that is your WordPress dashboard, okay? And now go to the posts that you would like to optimize. In my case, it's gonna be one of my blog posts, but can be one of your pages, one of your products, anything. Go to the post. I'm gonna be into this post right here, the hello world. Here is my post. And this post, imagine that it's a complete post, okay? Let me apply some content, just like this. So this is my post, okay? Normally posts should have more content, should have subtitles, should have image, but this is just one example, okay? And there is two basic SEO issues into this post. And what is the issue? There is no internal and no external link, okay? What is an internal link? Every single content of your site needs to link to another content of your site. So imagine that you have some keyword that talk about something, okay? So for example, in your about page, you have something that mention your library. So I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna go to my about page of my site, okay? I'm gonna find a page about my site, and I'm gonna place the link right here, okay? So I'm gonna select library, click into this link, paste. So now I have an internal link into my post. This is important for SEO. Always remember, you need to enter links into anchors and from pages that have relation. For example, I have a library into my about page, so I can link my about page into the library anchor, okay? Now I have to do an external linking, a link to another site that is relevant and have relation about templates. So let me see. Go to some site you trust, okay? Some site that you think is good. I think this one is okay. Now you need to enter an external link. What is this? This is internal linking process and outbound linking process, okay? What is? Every single content of your site should have a link to another content of your site and a link to another site that have relevant content related to the content you have written, okay? For example, in the case that you want to talk about some news, link to some news into a relevant site like Forbes, for example. In the case that you want to write about something that you have a page on your site, for example, you want to write about how to install WordPress and you sell WordPress themes on your site, link one of your themes page into this post where you explain how to write. This do the best SEO possible work for you. After doing all the changes, always remember to hit the update button to the top of your page, okay? The top right corner of your page. Simple, easy, and effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!